Show me what you got. Hey guys, so I had a lot of people asking me about the piece that I did with 60 Minutes. Particularly, there was a filming scene that we did in the gym where I was stretching, and I thought, why not start a Novak flexibility challenge? So here we are for anybody that is willing to do it. So this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to try to replicate what I did there in 60 minutes. Okay, so either leg, bend it like this, touch the ground, come back, grab a foot, extend without falling, hold for 5 seconds. That's it. Show me what you got.